Every day me get messages in my inbox. Please, Unstoppable, give me a run with that song, yeah. Please, Unstoppable, me I beg you a shot. Please, Unstoppable, me I beg you a blind. Alright, you feel like your song bad, though. You feel like you're talented, though. But nobody just now give you a run. Nobody now put you out there to the world, though. Alright. This is your opportunity right now. We have the Young Artist program we are going to start next week Saturday. It named Spin It or Bin It. Now Spin It or Bin It is where your song as a young artist will get featured upon the program going up against another young artist song. Right? And then the fans, the viewers, the listeners determine which song of the two gets to play the following week. Alright? Because Spin It or Bin It are going to happen every single Saturday. And your song can make the cut, but the viewers are going to determine which song stay and which song go. Alright? Now, you, as the young artist we are watching this, if you feel your song good enough and your song worthy, if you go up and Spin It or Bin It, message the number up on the screen. Message, don't call. Message the number up on the screen and find out the details, what it takes for you to get your song submitted to Spin It or Bin It. And before me left, it not free. Alright? Little more.